There are few things as satisfying as looking down at your phone and seeing that flash of green, and knowing you made a sale on a product you don't even keep in your house. By the end of this video, you will have a fully functional, legally compliant dropshipping store, custom-built for the Indian market in 2026. The model works like this. A customer buys from your storefront, that order data goes straight to your supplier, and the supplier ships the item directly to the buyer. You never touch the inventory. Before we begin building, you need to have 4 things ready on your desk: an active bank account, your PAN card, your Aadhaar card, and a laptop. Setting up this architecture correctly from day one is how you meet the strict verification standards used by Indian payment gateways. Without these documents ready, most platforms will pause your payouts or suspend your account the moment you start processing transactions. Step 1 is getting your paperwork in order. You need to gather those KYC documents and make a strict decision on your Goods and Services Tax, or GST, registration. This map illustrates how Indian e-commerce law restricts your business. Selling without a GST number locks your sales strictly inside your own state. Registering for GST removes that barrier, opening your checkout to the entire country and giving immediate access to a national customer base. Once your legal boundaries are set, you have to source products. In 2026, forcing Indian customers to wait 30 days for international shipping practically guarantees an abandoned shopping cart. You need competitive local logistics. To get them, create an account on an Indian-specific supplier network like Reposo Clout or IndiaMart. When you search these platforms for products to add to your import list, set 2 strict filters: ships from India and 3 to 5 day delivery. As you browse, ignore the items that only offer a few rupees in profit. A cheap viral product often won't leave you enough margin to pay for advertising later. Combining legal tax compliance with fast, local suppliers addresses the primary reasons Indian customers cancel orders. This foundation significantly reduces shipping delays and ensures your business operates within the current regulatory framework for e-commerce. Now we construct the storefront. A platform like Shopify allows you to assemble a fast, modern website without writing a single line of code. Select a clean, free theme from their library. Then sync the local product you chose earlier directly to your live storefront, so the Buy Now button is visible and active. The homepage might look great, but we need to build the unglamorous pages that actually keep your business alive: the Contact Us, the Shipping Policy, and Refund Policy pages. This interface shows your store's back-end policy settings. You don't need to manually type these out. Clicking the Create from Template button uses the platform's built-in AI to instantly generate the correct legal text. If you try to launch your store without these specific policy pages published in your footer, financial auditors will flag your website and reject your account when you try to accept payments. A beautiful storefront is useless if financial institutions think it looks illegitimate. These AI-generated policies serve as your store's primary documentation against automated account suspensions. Your store is built and legally protected. The final technical step is connecting a payment gateway, like Razorpay or PhonePay, so you can actually collect money. This pie chart illustrates the current checkout preferences of the Indian market. Notice the massive slice representing UPI, completely dwarfing credit cards and cash on delivery. Failing to activate UPI means locking out the vast majority of your potential buyers. Navigate to your platform's payment settings. Locate your integrated gateway and make sure the UPI toggle is switched to active. Before you celebrate, you have to run a final safety check. Go into your newly connected payment gateway dashboard and turn on Test Mode. Open up your live website as if you were a customer. Add your product to the cart and complete a full dummy checkout using the test credentials provided by your gateway. Reaching that Order Confirmed screen confirms the system is functional. Your supplier API, storefront, and bank account are communicating correctly. Now you can safely spend money on advertising. Congratulations, you now own a live, operational online business. In a short amount of time, you secured your legal KYC documents, connected local suppliers, assembled a compliant storefront, and activated a UPI-ready payment gateway. The infrastructure is now ready, but there is one missing variable. To actually generate revenue, you need targeted traffic and eyeballs on your products. The machine is built, now it just needs fuel. Click the link on screen to watch our next tutorial, where we cover exactly how to run profitable social media ads to secure your very first customer.